Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick area calculation in FieldGenius for Android. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to my survey screen, and within my survey screen here you're going to see that I've laid out 4 points and that I have drawn lines between each point. So in order to calculate the area, I need to first use my lines to define said area. So in this case, I've got these 4 points laid out here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner and go to Calculations, and then the aptly named area option in the bottom left corner here. And you can see that I've got this ash curve -1 option. And this ash curve -1 is the active figure in my project right now, which just so happens to be this convenient little box I drew for the point of this video. And you can see here that once I click on ash curve -1, I get my area and the perimeter of the shape that I have drawn. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the area calculation to get a quick and easy area and perimeter of a figure or shape inside of Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.